Okay, first we're going to put on the tie. So you'll need a shirt with a collar. The next is the shirt. Make sure when you put it on, you turn her around to make sure that her shirt is nice and low in the back. And then pull it together. And pin it. Pull the inside. Together. Then pin it. Put it back in. Try not to show as much safety pin as possible. Back. Next is the dress. Make sure the opening of the dress is right in the front. And then swing the back of the rest of it in the back. And then tie it up. Some more. You're going to get your apron and cover it up. Tie it in the back. Tuck it in. I'm gonna pull the shirt. Make sure it's nice and tight inside. Skirt. So you can turn this one. Next is the sash around the waist. Start from the back.
Or the front, depending how long it is.
Or the front, depending on how long it is. And make sure that's even. Okay, and then you're going to cross it. And then swing it to the back. And tie it. So it spreads. Next is the money belt. And it's going to cover the middle section. Pin it up or tie it in the back. This one pins up. The next one, the necklace goes around the neck and hooks in the back. And after the necklace is the hat. And for the hat, make sure you push the hair back, the hair in the front back. Just push it down nice and tight. Make sure that the V is right there at the front. Forehead, center, and all here, thread out to the back. And if you braid her hair, it'll be a lot nicer and easier to put on. And that's it.